In the year 1919, the British airship R-34 lands in Norfolk, England, completing the first airship return journey across the Atlantic in 182 hours of flight. In the year 1956, the Dartmouth workshop is the first conference on artificial intelligence. In the year 1973, Alexander Butterfield reveals the existence of a secret Oval Office taping system to investigators for the Senate Watergate Committee. In the year 1977, Somalia declares war on Ethiopia, starting the Ogaden War. In the year 1985, the Live Aid benefit concert takes place in London and Philadelphia, as well as other venues such as Moscow and Sydney. In the year 1985, Vice President George H.W. Bush becomes the acting president for the day when President Ronald Reagan undergoes surgery to remove polyps from his colon. In the year 2008, Battle of Weymouth begins when Taliban and Al-Qaeda guerrillas attack U.S. Army and Afghan National Army troops in Afghanistan. The U.S. deaths were, at that time, the most in a single battle since the beginning of operations in 2001. In the year 2011, Mumbai is rocked by 3 bomb blasts during the evening rush hour, killing 26 and injuring 130. In the year 2016, Prime Minister of the United Kingdom David Cameron resigns, and is succeeded by Theresa May.